All right, folks, I'm going to show you how to use Screencast O Matic, which is the tool that I use for screen recording. Personally, I've used this tool for a few years with my graduate classes, and that's the reason why I continue to use it. It's just another option for you. So it's a downloadable tool. I will make sure I share the link to download it, but it is in my applications. Comes up with my main screen that looks like this. This is where it's going to save my videos. Here's my record option when I'm ready to start recording. Just like Screencastify, we have the options to record just our screen, just our webcam, or both. For most of our videos, we're going to be recording both our webcam and our screen so that students are able to see us. Choosing our full-size screen, you can change the size of what records, but I would just leave this on full screen and start recording. It's going to give me a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and it'll start recording. When I'm finished, I've done my tutorial, I've done my lecture, showing students how to get from A to B online, clicking pause. If I want to, I can, say I messed up somewhere, I can go back here and I figured out this is where I want to start recording from. I can restart that recording, but we'll say this one's good enough and I'm done. Save it as a video file. I save mine to my desktop, so folder, that's where they're going. I can name them Screencast O Matic, and then publish, and it's going to save that video. This is a pretty easy tool to use, but I would say Screencastify as well. It's just up to your personal preference on which tool you choose to use. And that is Screencast O Matic.